Well, what's up guys? So here I have a GoPro 10 and I decided to get the screen protectors for all three screens and also a nice little case for it. You can see all the original tags, clear tapes are on it. Okay, so it comes a nice little box like this. Get it open. You get a rubberized case. Okay, with the rubberized case, you do get a little strap to hold it. You get the lens cover, and you get an extra cover for the side, so you can use it, the charger. Okay, inside the box you get another case, lens cover, and all your screen protectors are here. And you get a nice little card explaining everything. Okay, so let's get the little case open. So you can see that you do get the wipes, so you can wipe every glass and all your screen protectors. So I will take a screen protector for everyone. So this one will be for the front glass. This one will be for your lens. And then you have one for the back glass. So you got the dust disturber and you get a microfiber rag. So let's get the wet, get it open, take all these little tags out. Brand new, clean that one, make sure there's no glue, no residue. Okay, once you do that, get the wipe it. Okay, now make sure you use this. So you do the back first, make sure all the dust is off. So this is the bigger one, take it off, line it up, and good to go. Look at that, beautiful. Okay, turn around, same thing. Make sure all the dust is off. So I gotta clean a little more. Okay, so let's do the lens part. Clean it. Okay, this will be the lens. Take it off. Oh, this is this one, sorry. Put it on. There you go. Final one. There you go. They are all on. Awesome. Okay, to finish it off, put the case. There you go. Awesome. Perfect. Now it's protected. Awesome.